Hello kids. How are you? Fine. Very good. Let's start study. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, do you know today your teacher is not in mood to teach? You know why? See outside. It's raining and I want to enjoy the rain. What? You also want to come? Okay. We all will go in the rain and we all will enjoy the rain. Okay, now tell me what we can do for study. Yes, I have an idea. Kids, in your EVS book, open page number 44. Okay, there is a one exercise related to season. We will do that. Okay, but before it, we will learn about the seasons. Now kids, see. Which season is this? Tell me, which season is this? Yes, this is summer season. This is summer. And now tell me this. Yes, it's rainy season. And this? Tell me. Winter season. Yes, feeling cold. Today, I'm going to teach you about only summer season and rainy season. And about winter season, we will learn in winter season. So kids, let's come with me in summer season and rainy season. And open your book, EVS book, and page number 44. Come with me, all of you. Yes, you all can see. I am in summer season. Yes, kids, you all can see. The sun. What is this? Yes, sun. And the sun is shining very brightly. In this season, sun shines very brightly. Because of this, your teacher is feeling very hot. Yes, and you all can see my sunglass and my cap. Yes, I am wearing this cap and sunglass to protect myself because of the sunlight. Kids, do you know what we can eat in summer season? Yes, I see eatable items. We should eat fresh fruits, ice cream, and yes, juices and lots of green vegetables. And do you know what we can wear in the summer season? Yes, we should wear cotton clothes. Very good. Now, kids, we all will enjoy the rainy season. But before it, open your EVS book and page number 44. Okay? Now, come with me. We all will go and enjoy the rainy season. Yes, come.
Sally wants to play. Rain, go away.
Hello kids. How are you? Fine. Very good. Students, see, it's raining and your teacher is enjoying this rainy season very much. Today, I'm going to tell you about the rainy season. Kids, do you know what the things we can see in rainy season? I'm going to tell you. We can see clouds in the sky and colorful rainbow. And tell me, what the things you can see in rainy season? Yes, thunderstorm in the sky and raindrops and puddles. I like rainy season very much. And now tell me what we can wear in the rainy season. Yes, see my raincoat. Yes, and yes, we can carry colorful umbrellas. See my umbrella. And gum boots. Now tell me what we can eat in rainy season. Corn. Very good. We should eat corn and hot items. Okay? Very good. Now students, enjoy this rainy season and come inside the class for study. Okay?
Yes, kids, now we will do this exercise. Open page number 4444. Okay? We'll do this exercise and see what is this. Yes, this is an umbrella. What you have to do? You have to join the dots and make a colorful umbrella. Yes, join the dots and color it very beautifully. Now see this page. What you have to do? Match the clothes with the seasons. Now see the first picture and tell me which season is this. Okay, one boy is enjoying his ice cream. And tell me, in summer season, what we wear? Tell me. Yes, cotton clothes. Okay, now match the summer season with this cotton clothes. Okay, match. Very good. Now see the second picture. Yes, it's winter season. And tell me, in winter season, what you wear? Yes, exactly. Sweater, jackets, woolen caps. Now match the winter season with this sweater. Done? Very good. Now, kids, see the third picture and tell me which season is this? Yes. It's rainy season. And in rainy season, what we wear? Yes, exactly, raincoat. Now match the rainy season with this green color raincoat. Done? Very good. Now kids, do this exercise, take a pic and send it on my personal window. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.